Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to play Renegade on guitar. To start, ensure your guitar is in standard tuning. For the authentic sound, place a capo on the 2nd fret, which puts you in the key of a minor. The song kicks off with its famous main riff, primarily using open and G chord shapes. Pay close attention to the precise hammer-ons and pull-offs. These are crucial for capturing the song's distinctive feel and energy. Moving into the verse, you'll primarily use a minor, G, and C major chords. Keep a steady, driving 8th note strumming pattern to maintain the song's momentum. As you approach the pre-chorus, smoothly transition to D minor and E major chords. This section builds tension, so focus on the rhythmic push and pull, preparing for the upcoming chorus with a strong, deliberate feel. The chorus explodes with powerful open chords, typically a minor, G, and F major. Strum these with increased intensity, really hitting those downbeats for maximum impact and energy. Following the chorus, the solo section provides an opportunity for lead guitar. It often draws heavily from the A minor pentatonic scale. Focus on practicing your bending and vibrato techniques to add expressive flair to your lead playing, making each note count. For the outro, the song typically returns to a powerful, repeated main riff, often building in intensity. Incorporate palm muting to achieve that tight, aggressive sound, especially on the lower strings. Throughout the entire song, focus on rhythmic precision and dynamic control. Mastering techniques like string bending and vibrato will add significant expression to your playing, ensuring you capture the true spirit of Renegade.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.